What if I told you that a simple $1 mineral sitting in your home could become one of the most useful additions to your skincare routine? Most people overlook it, even though it's been used in traditional beauty practices for generations. It's called alum. And by the end of this video, you'll discover why so many people still keep it in their bathroom. Stay until the end, because the final use might surprise you. Benefit first: traditional skincare. Many people use alum because they feel it helps their skin look fresher, reduce excess oil, and improve the appearance of blemishes. Simply take a small piece of alum and grind it into a fine powder. Then, add a small pinch to the water you use to wash your face, or dissolve a little into your bath water. Many people say their skin feels cleaner, smoother, and more refreshed afterward. Benefit second: a traditional beauty ritual. For centuries, people in parts of South Asia and the Middle East included alum and rose water in their beauty routines. As part of traditional self-care, a simple ritual passed down through generations. Benefit third: natural deodorant. But that's not all. One of alum's most popular traditional uses is as a natural deodorant. Many people lightly rub a damp alum crystal under their arms because it may help reduce body odor caused by bacteria. If you have dry or sensitive skin, always do a patch test first and avoid using it too often, as it may cause dryness or irritation. And remember, alum isn't a substitute for medical treatment. If you have an infection or ongoing skin concerns, it's always best to speak with a healthcare professional. The best part. And here's the best part: alum is affordable, lasts for months, and is easy to find in most grocery stores and pharmacies. Sometimes, the simplest traditional remedies are the ones people continue using for years. Have you ever tried alum? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you enjoy natural wellness and skincare tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.